Hi guys, it's me again, Daddy JC, and my daughter Lily, with my son Pierre, or should I say Jasmine? Or Raja. Raja, can I hear you roar? Raja, can I hear you roar? Pierre, roar. Oh, so strong boy. Alright, so now what we will do is we will do some magic. Hi Pierre, do you want to be Spider-Man? Okay, 1, 2, 3, Choom! Whoa! Spider-Man? No, Pierre, sorry. Can you move on the other side? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Good job, Pierre! You stay there, okay? So we can make bantay. Oh, inawakan yung kettlebell. So, I think Pierre got tired. So, only Jasmine will be here. Hi, Jasmine. Are you Jasmine?
Jasmine Jelly.
Yeah, the kids got tired. So, it's me, Daddy JC, doing this alone. So, I have 3 cottons in front of me. Oh, hi, Pierre. Hi. Can you get the cup? JC? Yeah, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, I have to give you a cup. Alright, so there's 3 cottons in front of me. So, now it's time to flip the cup down. Flip it down. Okay. Flip it down. Flip it down. Alright, that's good enough. Then get the middle cotton in front. No, that's the right cotton. There. Put it on top of the middle. Correct, JC. Good job. Then that one cover the other cotton. Then that one cover the cup. Tap, tap, tap. Open it. Oh, magic. Alright, so flip the cup again. Okay. The middle cup. That one, yeah. Put it on the left. Correct. That one. There you go. Cover that cotton. Up. It flew away. Move to the left. Move to the left. Okay. There you go. Cover that one. Okay. Amazing. So get the left cotton. Get the left cotton. Yes, yes. Up, up. There you go. Put it on top. There you go. Good job. And that one cover the cotton. Correct. And this one cover the cup. Tap, tap, tap. Lift it. Lift it. Oh, magic. Alright. So now, get the cup. Open the cup. Flip the cup. Okay. Yeah, flip the cup. Put it down. The first one. Put it down. Just put it down there. Okay. Then that one. In the middle, cover the 2 cottons. Yeah, you can flip it there, JC. Yeah. Okay. And then the pink cup, cover the 2 cottons. Yeah. Yeah. Cover the 2 cottons. Yeah. 1, 2. Cover it. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Good job. So the cotton on my right. Cotton on my right. Cotton. There you go. Put it on top of the. Nope. Put it on top on the right. The right cup. There you go. Okay. Get the left cup. Cover the right cup. There you go. And then tap tap. Swing swing no. Swing swing swing. Toop toop. Alright. Now lift the left cup. Oh, everything transferred there. So that's the drink for today. I hope you had fun. Be cool. Be cool. Alright guys. Hi guys. Come on everybody. It's a party. Woo party. Woo party. I hope you had fun guys. Till next time. Oh yeah. I forgot my itchy head as always. And my itchy body. And my
Bye bye.
beard. Bye.